So hey guys, in this video I'll be discussing about my new project in which I have deployed EKS cluster on AWS through Terraform, and the the files that I have used, the services that I have used are Virtual Private Cloud for setting up a control plane and uh, locals file. Yeah, in this file I have initialized the variables that I need to run this template, and the EKS.tf file in which I have used different cluster add-ons, manage node groups, which I have declared the instance instance type, size, how many instances I want, and just spot instances, and the version of the cluster, giving it an endpoint access, giving it intra subnet IDs. Yeah, so um, so whenever you run Terraform init through this file, get this error. Okay, this error is so hard to get through. Oh God, uh, as you can see, could not retrieve the list of available versions for provider /aws. No available releases match the given constraints. Um, to see which modules are currently depending on HashiCorp. So this command gives you the exact versions this init run needs of Terraform providers. So what's the main what's the matter with this is your Terraform your AWS version is not complying with the different versions of Terraform, the versions of VPC, and version of the cluster version itself. So that's why you are getting this kind of problem, and this is called a version conflict. Okay, um, so to solve this, uh, I've I've went through a lot, searching everything in the internet, giving various prompts to a AI. Finally, I got to know how to solve this. As you can see here, this init has been successfully initialized. So what you need to do is you have to specify specific versions for every resource, every service, every module, and and as you can see, I will just start telling to you by first showing EKS. Yeah. So here I have specified the cluster version 1.29, the version of EKS module 19.21.0, and in this Terraform.tf file, I have specified it to be greater than equal to 1.3.0 and version greater than equal to 5.95.0 and less than 6.0. In VPC file, I have specified the VPC version to be 5.1.1. Yeah, and let me see if there anything left. Uh, so yeah, providers file I have actually declared the region only, region of the AWS. In my case, it's US East 2. So, so yeah, this was uh, this was the solution of the error, and after that you can just run this command, Terraform apply auto approve. It will run. Okay, as you can see here, I got my. Please keep supporting this channel, even if you have got a little bit of something valuable through my videos. So yeah, see you next time.